Like most laboratories, Linda's lab is constantly increasing in size and scope. When new tests need to be performed, along with making new reagents, upgrades to existing lab equipment become a necessity. Like everyone else in the laboratory, Lenny is feeling pressure from the increased sample throughput. As a result, when preparing a reagent for Patty on their trusty magnetic stirrer, he may have overlooked a key step. A staple in many labs, the magnetic stirrer is used on a constant basis to stir reagents, solutions, and reactions. In some cases, such as when a substance is expected to increase in viscosity, a magnetic stirrer may not be the best fit. For Lenny's reagent, an overhead stirrer may have been better suited for the task. A lot of thought goes into deciding which stirrer technology is the right fit for the application. Factors such as sample size, viscosity, heating accessories, stir bar selection, and the versatility of the system all play a role in the purchase. For magnetic stirrers, a variety of unique features are available. USB RS-232 interfacing, weighing capabilities, rotation and timer programming, temperature sensors, synthesis blocks for multiple reactions, and safety circuits can ensure the magnetic stirrer is robust, versatile, and safe. All overhead stirrers are rated on the maximum volume of sample that can be effectively mixed by the stirrer. Selecting a stirrer with a power that's too low for the sample size can mean disappointing results. Selecting the correct power for the expected sample volume will ensure that all the solutions are appropriately mixed. The viscosity and changes in viscosity during mixing will have an impact on the build of the stirrer, as well as motor power in relation to the size of the sample. Choosing the correct amount of torque based on the viscosity of the sample is equally important. Choosing the correct torque can ensure that all samples will be mixed properly and efficiently. If the torque is insufficient for the sample viscosity, the stirrer may be unable to turn, halting the mixing and possibly damaging the unit itself. Beyond the required torque, impeller selection is also important when it comes to the viscosity of the samples. A variety of different styles exist, including propeller, crossblade, spiral, paddle, and others which are best suited for different speeds and sample viscosities. Purchasing a stirrer with versatile functions and accessories will make adding new processes and sample types much more streamlined. Common options include push-through to adjust impellers, digital displays which indicate the set speed and torque versus the actual speed and torque, soft start and stopping to prevent sample splashing, and safety circuits to ensure automatic cutoff in anti-stall or overload conditions. Advanced options include programmable functions, integrated temperature measurements, torque trend measurements, USB RS-232 interfacing, and remote controls for adjusting the stirrer from a distance. With the proper power, torque, and versatility to properly mix a wide range of solutions, everyone is thrilled with their new overhead stirrer. Actually, make that nearly everyone. Lab Manager. When we talk science, we mean business. Brought to you by ICA, designed for scientists.